Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to the family. Guys, don't forget to like up the videos, comment more than one time, and turn on the post notification bell. It's important, guys, so you can be notified every time I post a new video. Right now it's 6:45 and I'm in the kitchen and we're gonna make some soup together. So I'm not feeling well. I have flu. And I remember Sunday's vlog when me telling you somebody drop asleep on the floor. So the morning when I woke up, my nose is stuffy and my throat did feel away. But normally when me see like me have like flu-like symptoms, me work on it quick. Somebody blend up some garlic, some ginger, some onion. You know, me I work on it. Normally when me sick, Jason gets sick because me snuggle up on him. So I want to have the soup for tonight, tomorrow, and if you can stretch for the next day. Yeah, so right now on the stove I have some red peas, chicken breast, and I season it up. I put in my cock soup and my coconut milk not too long ago. I need the flour, and I have sweet potato and this. I don't really have everything for put in a soup, but I mean it don't matter. I just gotta use everything I have and make the soup. It will work. So I have some carrot, thyme, scallion, scotch bonnet, and I have a little piece of sweet pepper and onion, and I have Irish potato. So it will work, guys. I just throw everything in the pot because really and truly I want the soup to hurry up, done, boil. So I never do them too small nor too big because I don't want them to boil out. I go peel the sweet potato them and start put the stuff them in the pot. I always forget about my apron. Jason play game, guys. Oh, I put some extra sweet potato in it because Jason loves sweet potato. I don't know for me alone, but when me have the soup, I don't love the stuff them in it to be too chunky. So I'm showing you how I make the dumpling. So you roll it. I mean, just like that. Fine neat, small and neat. Thank you so much for the support that you guys showed me on Sunday's vlog. More answer a few questions you wanna ask me. Let me see. I did write them down. One, I asked me when I buy the vegetable peeler. I bought that vegetable peeler in Bashko good while now. I'm telling you that it's such a lifesaver. Buy one, guys. And you guys asked me about the candles and the rose petal. Those are from Amazon. You drop off?
Yeah.
At this here play?
Yeah.
To see if you can make it.
Ah,
Ooh.
that.
What is it about, babe?
I even know. Just a follow that. I'm a bigger brother this, you know, I sneak me out of one place.
So the soup finished boil and it's thick. Like really thick. Let me show you now. It looks good.
You know what's it?
What?
I don't want to feel the soup, I feel for patty.
Whoa!
Oh, we can eat the food now?
Yes.
Alright. A joke. A joke. The soup shot.
Hey,
You know me not love soup.
this is soup and porridge. I'm not really good at it. But this will work. I don't like when my soup too
right.
salty. So yeah, go drink this right now because I feel weak. Babe, out of this or porridge, which one me do better?
You know, see, the last set of porridge I'm kind of shot though. I'm not gonna lie to you, so I can't go around. You don't know which one to choose.
Okay. I don't feel no way because I can't really make porridge good. I try though. Right now it's 12 o'clock and excuse me, wet shirt. Just finished brush with teeth, forgot with bed. So I have hair appointments early in the morning. But before I got my bed, I change out the rug them. I change Jason rug and my rug. Jason rug did been one change. My rug never so bad, but me still always change my rug. Even if I never ready to go my bed, I would have to go my bed. Because rain did a fall, but in the house did hot. I would decide so we not turn on the AC. So we open the door and put the fan in front of the door. Tell me why the house full of little bug. What? So I can't even use my phone in a piece because them a company phone light and I fly up in my face. How am I gonna get them out? I go turn off the light, but when I turn off the light, where them I go? So I need to leave one window open, but the window they mesh. What will happen? I don't know. I got my bed. I'm tired. Babe, what you see gonna happen to you about them? Them
Them probably just gonna leave out.
but them I go walk. Well, them I go fly rather.
I tell you, they go on the ground. But I catch yourself.
Asleep? I just leave the hairdresser. I'm going to go into the store, go pick up few stuff. I need deodorant, I need shower gel, I need few stuff. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. But me wait on babe for sort out some stuff because Jason I film a movie today. And then
New series, I don't know.
Oh, new series. And I'm so excited about that. So I'm gonna give you some behind the scenes. I buy 2 Dove deodorant the spray. And Jason's serious him now use it. Jason rather him arm green before him spray it underneath him arm.
Yeah, I'm not going green, eh?
You not go green because you don't normally get green. Guys, Jason can go all 2 days without deodorant.
No, back in the day it wasn't so though. Trust me. Back in the day.
It ripe.
Back in the day I was a ripe planting.
Or a green planting.
Green could be green or ripe. You see, it wasn't green, but they have a man hormones that kick little testosterone and push out beer. Show me arm, see?
Well, me need to get those. Me need shower gel.
When I get
Near.
them to come, I add them now and see.
Okay. If me a boom up every minute, because the road did bad.
I Jamaica this, you know.
So yeah. But I love my wanna know me I go get knotless. Like knotless is so convenient. Every time I do knotless, hear me like, babe, how it look? Just I say, babe, is it me or it's the same thing? I say, babe, but the same thing but still complement it. But knotless really fit me, especially when it's stale. So you see now it do and it need. Well, me tell her so don't give me a baby ear because the time too hot and me don't want all of that the grease then on my forehead. But you see when it gets stale and my ears start to push through,
Yeah.
weird, but it looks really good.
Hey guys, it's a girl Lacey. Run about my channel at It's Lacey. Thank you.
Yes. Send a shout out to business page them.
Oh, and run over to Lacey's underscore closet for your authentic pieces and Lacey's custom palace with a good jewelry them.
Yeah.
Hot, hot, hot. Yeah, we finish up.
Guys, trust
Oh, yeah, see actors them I don't know. My God.
Lacey.
Seriously, I joke. I joke. And one more person for forward the next DSD.
What do you think about the series?
No, it's really, really good.
What do you think?
Interested, very interested. And funny.
Okay.
So, come here. What do you like? I'm going to see you look like so conversations too. I want to see you, hey, you want to see you teaching from behind.
Me and him used to go to school together. When we did go to school together, we communicate?
No,
Not much.
Not much. With the kind of shy, you know. With the quiet. You, extra quiet. You're just like...
Guys, I'm gonna end off my video. I wish I could have given them more behind the scenes, but just today tell me to excuse out of the way because of the camera angle. And then now we'll come over here and the sky is dark. I don't know if you wanna see because it's gonna rain, so yeah. Without bloopers? Guys, I tell us that it bad. It name Wicked Girl. So you must know